Hey guys, Mason here. This is a 2026 XP1000 beige colored Ranger. Now this is a premium edition, so you will get the better looking rims. It will come equipped with the roof as well. Solid machines. If you were looking for something to get any sort of yard work done, or if you have a farm, whatever whatever you have that you're looking to do work with, this will get it done with. It does have a winch and a front bumper. For you guys or women that are looking for something to snowplow with, this does have the hookups already for it. If you run Polaris brand. It is a 1000 single overhead cam with a hydraulic lift bed, well, assisted, which is really nice. But you can check it out here at carnsequipment.com or give us a call at 814-765-5684.